This is the third video I'm doing on this roundabout M6 junction 10. This time I'm traveling from Wolverhampton towards Birmingham M6 South. I chose the middle lane this time because it's the easier. There are two lanes going towards M6 South though, the middle lane and the right lane. The middle lane will take you exactly where you want to go, so you don't have to switch back over to the left lane in the end. So as you can see here, it's written on the road M6 South and Warsaw. I'm not going to Warsaw, but this lane allow you to go to Warsaw and M6 South. Keep in your lane at this point. Have a quick glance from the left mirror and the right mirror to see who might be drifting over into your lane. A lot of people do not understand what they're doing here, so they might be drifting over. At this point, you're about to pass the Warsaw exit. Check your left mirror again to see who might be coming over last minute. Pass the Warsaw exit, check the center and the left mirror, indicate left, pick up your speed. You're coming up to the slip road now to join the motorway towards M6 South. That's the roundabout done there. Don't forget to follow me and TikTok Drive Past Learners, one word that is, or